Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Remove the stylus and gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift the battery off its posts to remove. Gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the LCD module free. Use the spudger to gently pry the camera free from the adhesive underneath, but take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or snap. Peel the camera cable free from the LCD module. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the gyro sensor. Peel back the tape and unplug the digitizer. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable. Plug the LCD cable into the new module. Make sure the LCD cable is seated properly in its grooves. Then plug in the gyro sensor. Plug the cable back into the digitizer. Apply the camera cable to the back of the LCD module and lay the camera back into place. Replace the LCD module onto the back cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.